Hello and welcome to our instructional video on solving the integer exponent problem 2 raised to the power of -1 plus 4 raised to the power of -1. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of solving this problem. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to simplify expressions involving negative exponents. So, let's dive in and get started with solving this problem. First, we need to understand what 2 to the power of -1 and 4 to the power of -1 mean. When an exponent is negative, we can convert it to a positive exponent by taking the reciprocal of the base. Therefore, 2 to the power of -1 can be written as 1 divided by 2. And 4 to the power of -1 can be written as 1 divided by 4. So, the expression 2 to the power of -1 plus 4 to the power of -1 will be altered to 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 4. Next, we need to simplify the expression 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 4. To do this, we first need to find a common denominator for the fractions. The common denominator for 2 and 4 is 4. We can rewrite 1 divided by 2 as 2 divided by 4. Now, the expression becomes 2 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 4. Adding these fractions together, we get 3 divided by 4. Therefore, the simplified form of the expression is 3 divided by 4. This is the final step. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.